Good day, ladies and gentlemen. We are still at the Zurich event here in the Dollar Grand Hotel in Zurich, and with me here is George Paspalas, the CEO of MAG Silver, very successful silver developer out of Mexico, as you know. George, great to have you here.
Hi, Jochen. Good to be here again as well.
Absolutely. It's only like 7 weeks we met at the PDAC, so there's maybe not too much to talk, but at least we want to do a little bit of an update, of course. As you guys closed the sensational financing and the stock price is 50% higher. How did that happen?
Well, I wish I had the real answer for that. Yeah. We're very pleased with the financing. Again, we financed close to a 52-week high. We've done 2 financings in the last 3 years off a 52-week high, so we've minimised the dilution to our shareholders. Most importantly, this financing has got us fully funded now for our 44% share of Juanicipio. Right, our most advanced asset. Yeah. Fresnillo, the operator, are doing a fantastic job on that project. And I think the financing was well subscribed. We had 42 institutional investors come in on that financing, and a lot of fundamental precious metal investors bought.
They're back in the market.
Back in the market.
Good.
And particularly for MAG, I think they realised that this is one of the last opportunities to buy MAG shares on an equity issuance. Given that we are fully funded now, right, this should take us to cash flow. And so if you want to buy shares in MAG now, you have to buy them in natural trades on the open market. And I think that's one of the reasons why our shares have performed well. We financed at $10 Canadian. As you said, we're 6 weeks later, and today we're trading at $15.60. So you know what? We're very happy. We're fully funded. It keeps us secure now for the future of that project. So we're a winner because we're fully funded.
Absolutely.
But the investors who bought in are winners as well. And when you have a win-win, it ends up being a great deal. Yeah. So we were very fortunate on our timing. Yeah. But we have the company now positioned really well.
Fantastic. No, I mean, that's, as you said, win-win situation. That's good to have happy investors, happy people around the whole thing. Always good. The money you have, you said you are fully funded. Is there also a little bit contingency in that, let's put it that way, maybe little surprises can happen while you are developing?
Well, and that's a good point. We have $24 million of contingency, let's say. Okay, good. Our 44% is 132 million US. We've put 14 into it. We have $142 million of US of cash. So that leaves us 24 left over. That's assuming we'll build for that 2012 estimate of 132 million for 44%. 2012 was a bit of a different environment to where we are now if you're building a mine.
Absolutely.
Iron ore was $150 a tonne. It's not that now. Oil was over $100 a barrel. The Mexican peso has devalued substantially since then. Plus, we have Fresnillo as the operator, the mine builder and the operator. And Fresnillo have a history of building their projects on time and under budget.
That's important.
But it's always good to have that contingency just in case. And we're very careful to say we're fully funded. We say that with that contingency. We don't want to say we're fully funded and be too tight. Then have to come back in a year and a half.
That would be a nightmare.
No, that's right. So it's important to have that.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, also anyway, it's only like 1.5 years maximum, 2 years as the absolute maximum that you are really going to production and generating cash flow.
That's right.
Let's talk a bit about your deeper drilling, because you started that, right? How is it going?
Very well. We started drilling at the end of November last year. We started with a 10-hole program as a follow-up to the 4 holes we released in April of last year, 2015. And during the course of the program, we've increased that to be 14 holes. We're supplementing the 10 surface holes with some holes from underground. It's going well. They're long holes, 1.2 to 1.3 kilometres in length. So in some areas we're going through ground conditions that can cause you to lose a drill. a drill bit, lose the hole. So it's taking a little longer than we anticipated. But we've got 10 of the holes completed now. So we expect to have the drilling completed late May. And by the time we then get the assays, analyse that, understand it, we should be able to release the results in optimistically late May, but more likely early to mid-June. And we're looking forward to that because, what we've shown in those first 4 holes is a potential
Extension?
Extensive areas of mineralisation which could contribute substantially to a resource update. And resource upgrade. And we saw in Fresnillo's annual report, they did do a resource update based on those 4 holes. And there we saw 55% more zinc, 44% more lead, 27% more gold, and I think 26% more silver as an equivalent. That's amazing off those 4 holes.
That's really amazing, yeah.
And remember, this is right below where we're going to be operating the highest grade undeveloped silver property in the world.
Exactly.
We don't know what we got down there yet, so we're pretty excited about those holes.
Looks to me like you have a mine, but you have another one below?
Potentially. This is a forward-looking statement. I mean,
That's
we only have 4 holes in there.
Well, we are speculating, that's for sure.
But it's looking well, and again, Fresnillo are aligned with MAG on the exploration potential here. They've approached this drill program, with aggression and getting it drilled as quickly as possible, because it means a lot for both companies. It's
of course.
Within the whole Fresnillo system down there, the one Scipio joint venture is shaping up to be one of the more valuable assets. We're very fortunate.
Nicely said, more valuable assets. I would say it's one of the most valuable assets.
Wow, you said that.
I am allowed to say that.
Right. No, and it's such a remarkable district. Right? The Fresnillo trend now is the most preeminent silver district in the world. 4.2 billion ounces of silver have been produced from that area. There's currently 2.2 billion ounces of silver in front of it in terms of future production, and between Fresnillo and the joint venture, we're finding more. Fantastic. And we're very fortunate. We have a wonderful gift from nature with the asset, and we're working together well with our partner. And come 2018, for the first time ever, MAG will have something in the company that we've never had before. It's called cash flow.
I love to hear that.
Oh yeah, that's a good thing.
George, fantastic. Thank you very much.
Lovely.
And congratulations already on what you have achieved, of course. I mean, you deserve the share price, that's for sure.
Thank you.
You worked very hard for that.
Thank you.
And I think you did a sensational, you and the team, of course, you did a sensational job. And I would say keep it going, and I look forward to June.
Oh, we'll be trying hard. We'll be trying to keep it going. Thanks a lot, Jochen.
Thank you very much.
Appreciated.
Ladies and gentlemen, it was George Paspalas, the CEO of MAG Silver, and as you know already, it is a sensational company story. It is a sensational company itself. I would say, probably for the future, one of the best mines in the world for silver production. Definitely in 2 years, they start the mining and generate cash flow, as he said. And probably below the mine is another mine. So that's what we like. So we will see. From June on, they will have from the long holes drill results, and I'm pretty sure they will be good. Thanks for watching us. Bye-bye from Zurich.